Step 6. Analysis and interpretation. After preparing the financial statements, the accountant studies and interprets the numbers. This is called analysis and interpretation. Simple meaning: figures are converted into useful information for decision making. Let's take one example. CB SmartMart was going into books of accounts. They sees profit in 2025 of rupees 10 lakh. They see profit in 2026, 15 lakh. Now they are asking a question. Has our business improved? Answer is yes, business has improved. So how they got to know? Accounting figures help us reach this conclusion. Okay. Why is analysis important? Simply preparing financial statements is not enough. The information must be understood. Analysis answer questions like this. Number 1. Is the business earning sufficient profit? Are expenses increasing? Is cash sufficient? Can the business repay loans? Is expansion of business possible? So all these questions will be answered only by the analysis. Okay. And what's the learning? Accounting provides numbers. Analysis explains what those numbers mean. Okay. Real life example. CB SmartMart sales increased by 20%, but profit increased by only 5%. Is this a good sign? Not necessarily. Analysis will show expenses have risen sharply. On what basis decision will be taken? On the basis of analysis. And what should be the decision? The owner should control their cost, because in this case sales increased by 20% but profit only increased by 5%. This means costs are high. Okay. This is how analysis turns raw numbers into practical advice. You can take decisions. Okay. Step 7. Communication. After analysis, accounting information is communicated to users. This is the final step of the process. Who receives this information? Owner, bank, investors, government, employees, creditors. In the purpose to help them make informed business and financial decisions. Example of communication. CB SmartMart prepares its financial statements. How it will help? Owner. Owner decides to expand the business. Bank approves a loan. Government calculates income tax. Investors decide whether to invest or not. Employees assess stability of the business. So what's the learning? One set of financial statements serves many users. Okay.